Let's take a look at this question. A 227 feet length of canal is to be lined with concrete for erosion control, with 12% allowance for waste and over excavation. The volume yard cubic of concrete that must be delivered is most nearly. So the question that they're asking for is volume in yard cubic. So we need to highlight that. Let's highlight that. Okay, I think my hands a little bit wacky today, which is fine. And 12% waste. Please don't forget the 12% waste. And the total length of the canal is 227 feet long. Once you know what they want you to find, which is the volume, in this case, we want the volume equals to, we don't know, question mark. And it's in yard cubic. We know the units already. So let's begin. The best way to look at this question is to actually look at it from the side view. So let's say we have something like this. I'm not really good in drawing, but it's fine. Let's look at it on the side view. Okay, let me take that back. Something like that. Let me try to redraw that. I'm using my mouse, and my mouse is kind of like moving all things all around. So just bear with me. Okay, let's say the line goes straight like that, and at the bottom one goes straight like that. So they're telling us that this is 227. That's what the question is telling us. And what we just have to do is just to use a geometric, that's all, to find the whole total length of this. So remember what I said, look at it from the side view. If you look at it from the front view, you might get this question wrong. So if you look at it from the side view, you're looking at the whole length and the whole area of this, inside of this. This is just like a length by itself. Let me just draw it like this. It's a length. And we're looking at it horizontally forward. So let's get back to the calculations. So theory 2, we know this is 14. We could just say 2, let's use geometry, 2 over 14. And we're looking for the horizontal h. And I believe h over, oh, actually it's at the bottom. Let me just erase that. Erase. I like to keep whatever I'm finding on the top, so that way I don't have to move things up and down. So we're looking for, so now it will be 14 over 2 equals to whatever we find in question mark over 3. So if you do that out, you will find out that your h, I call it question mark, let's just say it's question mark, equals to, let me use my calculator quick and I'll tell you what the answer it is. And I got 21. I hope everyone got 21. So I got 21. So now I can find the diagonal of the length of this by itself, right? We have 14 and we have the horizontal. Basically, let me draw this out for you. Because when you draw it out, you can see everything rather than just saying it. So this is 14 and this is 21. That's what I just found right there. And if we want to find it diagonal, let me call it D, or diagonal of one side. D will be equals to, we all know the geometry, we took the algebra class. That should be square root of 21 squared plus 14 squared. And this will be, let me use my calculator again. Square root of, oh, hold on, I have the solar calculator. Sometimes give me all time. That would be 7 square root of 13. 7 square root of 13. 7 square root of 13. Okay, now let's back to our question now. So we know this is all length by itself. That means that we're gonna add this side plus this side plus this side. So now we're gonna add 7 square root of 13 plus 9 plus 7 square root of 13. And if you use your calculator again, you should find that that would be, let me see what I can, I'm gonna convert it to decimal so that way we're keeping the same. Sometimes fraction is a little bit confusing, but it's fine. It's good to know both ways, fraction and decimal. So I have 59.4748. Let me just round it up to 48. This is feet. This is feet. Don't forget your units, please, guys. Let me move up now and move up. So now that we find that, we're trying to find volume. That's what the question is asking. So now the volume, we know the volume is area times the depth. So basically, volume would be, V will be equals to 59.48 times 227 times, they told us the depth of the concrete. Let me move all back again. This is a little bit, because I have to move up and down, kind of make it move up and down. They told us it's 19 inches. My computer is frozen again. Let's see how many froze line is gonna give us. I say wait for the program. Okay, so I just want to make sure that everybody can see the question. Actually, it is 7 inches, not 9 inches. It is 7 inches, see, of the concrete. So now we go back. We're just gonna say 9 inches. Let me put 9 inches. 9 divided by 12. And all this will be in feet cubic. Let me just write feet cubic. They want in cubic yard. Don't forget that. This will be in feet cubic. Or what you just have to do to convert it to that, to yard cubic, you divide it by 27. So 27 is feet cubic. 1 feet cubic. Feet cubic is 1 yard cubic. And if you do that, that should give you, let me do it quick on my calculator to make sure we are on the same page, times 227 times 9. I said 7. Sorry about that, not 9. It's 7. I keep saying 7. It is 7 inches. Times 7 divided by 12. And take that divided by 27. Okay, let me see what is the answer. Okay, let me move up so we can see what our answer it is. Okay, so it is 292. 292. Don't forget that we have the waste. Now we have to times it by the waste, which is 1.12. The way you do the waste is yard 1 plus the 12%. And that should give you, let me use on my calculator quick, times 1.12. It will give me 327. And the answer for that should be D. Let me move up. Should be D. D is your answer. So let me circle that. I hope that helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next question. Thank you.